Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Nmap on Debian Linux operating systems. First open terminal, first update the packages sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Now install Nmap. Sudo apt get install Nmap. Hit enter. See, it is going to install Nmap and Nmap common. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing Nmap version 7.95. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now verify Nmap -- version. See, we have installed Nmap 7.95. Okay. Now we can perform scanning like intent scan, ping scan, whatever you want you can. So if you want to get the help or commands, just run nmap-help. See, these are the examples like nmap, run this command. Paste it, hit enter. See, we are getting the output. Okay, Ctrl C. Now run nmap help. See, here we have different options like firewall, scan type, port scan. Different options are there. See, this is the usage. Nmap, then scan type, then target specification. See, here we have different options. You can go through the documentation and you can practice by going to nmap.org. Let me open. Now go to Nmap official website, that is nmap.org. Then go to reference guide. See, here we have different options. You can go to these examples. See, here we have the different options. Go through them and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to install Nmap 7.95 on Debian operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.